Hi, welcome back to English for Adults. Before we go on, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. This is the second video of my collection of idioms and phrasal verbs. Please check out the other videos in this series as I post them. In this video, I will talk about idioms and phrasal verbs about relationships. To have a soft spot for someone. Kevin has a soft spot for Jane. He always helps her with her homework. Like or love someone more than other people, often for an unknown reason. Be made for each other. Ken and Barbie have a great relationship. Everyone said they were made for each other. If two people are made for each other, they are perfect partners for each other. Be an item. Michael and Anne have been an item for a long time. They have been together for 3 years. If two people are an item, they are having a romantic relationship, usually without marriage. To pop the question. Kevin popped the question today. We're getting married. Ask someone to marry you. Tie the knot. They tie the knot on Valentine's Day. It's an easy day to remember. Get married. Hitched. They went to Vegas to get hitched. Get married, but it's an informal, almost funny expression. Someone is out of someone's league. Jane is smart and beautiful. Kevin isn't good-looking or clever. Jane is out of Kevin's league. The person is too good to be with the other. Meet someone halfway. You need to give up some of your demands. The deal depends on you agreeing to meet them halfway. Agree to do something that someone wants if they do something that you want. Live in each other's pockets. They're always together, never apart. They live in each other's pockets. People who are too emotionally close or spend too much time together. Drive a wedge between people. Mary wanted John. She drove a wedge between him and Lucy to break them up. Cause two people or groups to disagree or be unfriendly to one another, especially in order to gain an advantage for yourself. Clear the air. They cleared the air by discussing the problem with the therapist, and now their relationship is better. Discuss a problem or difficult situation with someone in order to make it better. Walk away. Janice needed to walk away from the bad relationship. Leave a bad situation. Breakup. They had a breakup. Their relationship is over. If a marriage breaks up or two people in a romantic relationship break up, their marriage or their relationship ends. In the heat of the moment. We both said things we didn't mean in the heat of the moment. You do something at a time when you are too angry or excited to think carefully. Store up something. If you don't discuss this problem now, you will store it up for the future and break up because of it. To do something that will cause problems in the future. Go through a bad or sticky patch. Ken and Barbie are going through a rough patch. They're always arguing. People experience a difficult period in their life. Hold someone back. You should follow your dreams. Your husband is holding you back. Stop someone from being as successful as they should be. Let someone down. He promised to take care of the children, but he went bowling with his friends. He let her down. Not help or support someone as they had hoped or expected. Answer to someone. The great thing about having your own business is that you don't have to answer to anyone. To take orders from someone and explain your actions to them. Make up. They had an argument, but they made up and now are happy again. To forgive someone and be friendly with them again after an argument or disagreement. Thank you for watching this video. Please check out other parts of the series as well as they become available. Please consider becoming my patron for as little as €3 a month.